Everyone, it's Elaine. Boy, have I had a morning. I cannot begin to tell you. First of all, I sat down at my computer today to pull all of this together. I had been keeping up with it daily, and there were some of you that snuck in on me, and there were some of you that were not visible subscribers that, thank heavens, I checked. I guess at the last minute you figured it out. Well, then I realized I looked at my desktop screen and it was a calendar from 2018. I noticed that I had lost some of my passwords and things that I had saved in my favorites on the internet. Something has definitely happened. Well, my printer drivers of a brand new printer were all gone. The ones for the old printer that I've thrown away were back. Yeah, I don't know what's happened. I definitely have gremlins I have to figure out. So then when I got all of this pulled together and I figured out who was a visible subscriber and had commented on all 3 of my videos, I sat down to do my video, and yep, you guessed it, my camera software was gone. And that has been a little trouble for me in the past because I was updated to Windows 10 and the software didn't want to support Windows 10. I even had to take it to the computer shop for them to help me with that. And so here I am trying to do this on my own, and I hope all of this works out. It's kind of got a knot in my stomach today. But on a positive side, I have 13 of you that are subscribers and have commented on all of my videos. Altogether, I had 31 new subscribers. I had a few that I don't think came to subscribe for this collab. So it's pretty good though, I thought. So anyway, only having 13, you have pretty good chances. I just want to give you a quick rundown of what I did do. Remember that, I'm sorry, something just flashed up on my screen. Like I said, I have gremlins, and I don't know. I hope all of this is working. I did my ATC card, and I did my MDC card, and then I did my DC card. So it was all kind of, well, ATCs I had done, but the others, especially the DC, I had never done that before, but I've used it in quite a few of my videos. So let's put those out there. I know that you all want to know who is going to win and what you are going to win. So let's do this. Now, if you remember, I am sort of an upcycler, not so much a recycler, but I like to turn something that I know has some value and I can do something fun with it. So I'm going to give you some choices. And I'm going to put another little goodie in the box that I'm not going to worry about showing. It'll be a surprise. So let me show you. And here's what you have to choose from. These are furniture samples. And I've taken, they kind of go at an angle. And I have taken them and I have put some hardware on them. These are hooks, and this is like a clip for a note. This is a Tim Holtz clip. So I want you to tell me if you want A, B, or C. Okay? Now that's the first round. The next thing that I have done, excuse me, I'm reaching for it, is I have done these cute little bottles. And they are on beadboard samples. Now, beadboard is kind of like what goes under a chair rail, you know, perhaps in a dining room. So now this one is kind of an off-white, and they're really cute. They have a hole already in the back, and the bottles are wrapped in a wire with a bead, and they have a little cork stopper if you want to put it in there. My thinking when I made these was like for a little flower sprig, or maybe in a guest bathroom for their toothbrush, or again, another little piece of greenery. So this one is an off-white. This one is kind of maybe a barnwood color, a little darker. And then this one is more creamy, really with an aged look. So in this case, tell me 1, 2, or 3. We will communicate via via YouTube first. You let me know you won, and then that you saw that you won, said it's been a rough morning. And then my email address is in the info on my on all my videos. So go there and find my email address and contact me. Now, when you contact me, I will need to know, of course, your name and your mailing address. And remember, it's USA only. So I'm hoping that everybody in this, I don't want any hard feelings, but this will be too much to send overseas, and with all the customs and everything, we don't need those problems. But so you're going to tell me A, B, or C, and then you're going to tell me 1, 2, or 3. See if I can get everything back in frame here. Okay, I think I'm pretty good there. Alrighty. And please, this will close by this Wednesday, which is the 23rd, 11:59 p.m. So this is going to come out on Sunday, and then you have 3 full days to reach out to me. Now, if you're the winner and you don't do that, we can't do this forever. So I really hope that we get in touch with each other. So let's go ahead and do this drawing, and let's see who we pick. All right, I'm going to close my eyes and turn my head, and it's going to be this one right here. And the winner is Cheryl Cruz. All right, Cheryl. Now, like I said, this is Sunday. I'm going to post this video. It's probably going to take an hour to upload. So please contact me before Wednesday, 11:59. And I am really close in getting to my next milestone in subscribers. So I might do another little giveaway there. Grammy's Keepsakes has helped me get there as well. So anyhow, I do appreciate you coming by. And if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, please do, and give me that thumbs up. And congratulations, Cheryl. Please be in touch with me. Bye-bye.